we created MainWP REST API version 2 to offer better compatibility with a wider range of services, address connection challenges, and deliver a more robust experience with well-organized and expanded endpoints, batch calls, easier third-party authentication, and additional parameters for greater flexibility and control. Before we dive into creating your MainWP REST API version 2 keys, let's first make sure our permalink settings are properly configured. Head over to your WP admin area, go to Settings, and then click on Permalinks. Make sure you're using any permalink structure other than plain. Due to a WordPress limitation, REST API will not work with plain permalinks. Once that's set, let's go back to the MainWP Dashboard. Navigate to the REST API section and click on Add API Keys. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your API key. Choose something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. After you've entered the name, make sure to copy the API key or bearer token to a safe location. Keep in mind, once you save the key, it cannot be revealed again. Next, you'll need to select the necessary permissions for this API key. The options are read, write, and delete. The read permission is essential for endpoints that use the GET method, which means it allows you to retrieve data through the API. Write is necessary for endpoints that use POST or PUT methods, allowing you to create or modify data. Finally, delete is necessary for endpoints that use the delete method, enabling you to remove data. However, in version 2, the delete method is part of the write permission, so this needs to be selected only if you plan to use the legacy API calls. If you indeed need to use the legacy REST API, version 1, click on the Show Legacy API Credentials button. Here you'll find your consumer key and consumer secret. Just like with the bearer token, make sure to copy these to a safe location, as they won't be accessible once you navigate away from the page. Don't forget to toggle on the Enable MainWP REST API v1 compatibility option if you're using the legacy version. Go ahead and save the settings to create your API key. To edit a key, go back to the Manage API Keys page, locate the desired key, and click Edit. From here, you can disable the key and change its description or its permissions. Click the Save API Key button once you're done with the changes. The REST API functionality of your MainWP dashboard will be enabled as long as at least one API key is active. If at any point you need to disable REST API entirely, simply disable any active keys. You can identify them by the enabled status. If you want to delete a key entirely, you can do so from the same page. Just click on the Delete button next to the individual key, or select multiple keys to delete at once using the Bulk Actions dropdown. And that's it. You've now set up and configured the MainWP REST API version 2, giving you powerful options to manage your MainWP dashboard programmatically. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP. Be sure to check out one of our other videos next.